What is up, boys? I'm back with another video and another trading session. So we have this trend line and we're creating this evening star. Let me just see. Okay, we have a major downtrend as well. So okay, so this is also a long candle. This is kind of sign of reversal. Let me just see if this is going to close in this rejection point. If it does, I will probably take this trade. Let me see. Okay, I will take this buy trade right here because this is one of those discount tradings, right? Exactly like this. And if there wasn't any higher high, I wouldn't take this trade. But since we have a higher high, it's kind of sign of, you know, trend's gonna keep going up. That's why I just go with the buyers here. Also, we have this morning, like evening star. We need the retracement. And another reason is because this is a Marbuzu candle, and Marbuzu candles sign of having a retracement. Okay, we have a Celio. Okay, yeah. Let's see. But the bars are not that strong though. Yeah, this is the first trade. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Okay, we have this trend line and this candle closed here. And it's combined with this round number. So let's see. But this is a continuation sign as well, so we have a reason to go with buyers as well. But I'm gonna go with this half of the amount, and I will go with the sellers here. Okay, this is the last. Yeah, that was a bad one. I thought that it might act like this because previous time also we had this engulfing continuation and again engulfing continuation, but this time it didn't work. Okay, also we had this trend line. So okay, here I will go with the buyers here. If it comes down, I will enter one more trade. Yeah, so whenever we have this kind of moment in the market, it should show you something. So this is unusual candle right here. Okay, when we have this unusual candle and not respecting the trend line and the sequence of the market, it means that you shouldn't resist. You should just go with the flow. Okay, the next level is here. There's still a gap. We can go with the buyers. Okay, this is very important. Some people again go with the sellers and they hope that maybe this is just an extra green candle and we might have the next one as red one, but no. This is also same for dojis. If you watched it not yesterday, like couple, like it's if you have watched the like previous two trading sessions, in one of them there was the same situation with dojis, and yeah, that's also important point. So yeah, we have this trend line as well. She's broken. Okay, so I don't see any other opportunity here. Let's just move on. Okay, we have this trend line combined with this round number, but there's still a gap. We have this demand area right here, so it should kind of respect that. I have to wait here and be patient. Let me see. Yeah, this is kind of good, but there's still a gap though. I'm gonna go with the sellers right here because there's still a gap and I don't see a lot of buyers. Like it's closing right here. There's not any buyers entry, you know, there's still a gap. But so many times I have like this trade and then the buyers entered and closed above. That's so annoying. Like Let me just see. Oh no. I was about to take a buy right here. Yeah, that's actually happening. Yeah, they kind of rejecting. Oh my god. Yeah, I see a lot of buyers on this candle. Yeah, that's super unfortunate. No. Okay, no seller's entry again. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I have seller's entry again. Let me see, we can go. It's exactly closing on this round number, but it's kind of breaking this. But the buyers can enter because there was a lot of movement for buyers on this candle, okay? You have to rewind, like go back a little bit. I mean, go like at the beginning of this trade and watch this candle's movement. You see buyers entered crazy again. But the sellers are also super strong. So here, there is still seller's strength right here and the buyers down here. So the price is ranging right here. Okay, you have to pay attention to the candle's movement. Here, yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a risk here. I'm gonna take it. Oh my god, I'm gonna take a risk here. I go with like 2 entries with 50. I go with buyers here because I feel like this is gonna break this level. Okay, and my first entry is super bad. That's actually bad entry. And yes, yeah, I knew this is gonna happen. Let's switch to 100. Yeah. Like, if you look at this area, we have seller's entry a couple of times, right? 3 times. And then again here, we have broken this, we pulled back, and then again we see strong buyers with high. So this is signaling that we also broke this resistance and then it became support. And then we have this. This is not like, this candle is not coming from nowhere. It's coming from this resistance becoming support. Okay, so when we have this kind of movements, it's sign of breakout because you see a lot of strength in terms of buyers. You see here, like if you zoom out, you will see that we have this amount of buyers here, retracement, and again we have to expect this amount of buyers until this level at least. Okay, unless I'm so unlucky and just close down here. That's, I mean, this entry is the worst entry you can have. That's totally my fault because you have to wait for candles open. For example, the entry should be here, okay, instead of just immediate entry even before this candle being like closing. It's crazy. Okay, one of them winning trade and one of them losing. Yeah. Okay, so when I say this, it's signaling that, okay, the buyers are not willing to break this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm planning here to go with the sellers. I have this rejection point combined with this round number. We're coming back to the Doji range. Oh no, I go with the sellers here. My entry is also again bad, but no problem. Okay, I can add more. Like if it comes up. Okay, it didn't come up. So there's a point that you have to know when we have a doji. Let's say this is a doji, right? This is a doji and we broke this and close here. This one worked. Okay. And then we took this one. And why is this? Okay. First of all, this is kind of seller's entry. This is a pattern, needs retracement. Okay. Another reason that when we break a doji, the next time also, if you are coming back to the doji, if you have enough reasons, for example, another seller's entry here, you can take this trade. So dojis are like this. When we break them, you can take this. Okay. We break this, we can take this, and again, if we're coming back up, and again break this one. If we have enough reasons, for example, closing exactly on the seller's entry. Oh, seller's entry, just like this one, which came to the doji range again and closed somewhere close to the seller's entry. And also this is a rejection point. Okay, let's see. Oh. Yeah, you can take also again the doji break. In this case, we're breaking from the downside to the upside, so we can take the reversal sign, reversal one. And this is kind of red-green pattern, right? Green, red, green. So this is also red-green pattern. Okay, so always try to combine your reasons when you're taking your trades. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me. Also, there's a link in the description. That's a free demo account. You can check it out as well. Peace out.